Yes, hello. This is the
It's nice, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
So I was just reading something and you have to hear it. You totally have to hear this out. Listen. Psychologists say that living in a cluttered, poorly decorated, and don't mind that goat. I was saying, why? Psychologists say that living in a cluttered, poorly decorated, and somewhat disorganized living space this is where it gets interesting, can increase your stress level, mess up your productivity, and decrease your creativity. And I don't know about you, but that leaves me with two questions. What kind of space are you living in? And two, what can you do to make it better? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Inchua if you are new here, and in today's video I'm going to be making over a bedroom and you're coming with me. Let's go. So obviously this is a guy's room. I'm gonna take you through what the room looks like right now. So this is where he keeps his clothes, and then there's shoes over here, and then this what's that? And there's a backpack, and that's it. There's also a rug here, but take it off for a few seconds. And yeah, there's a scale and there's a bin, and that's pretty much everything that is in the room. I think it would really be nice to own this fridge. It is fridge, and it's, look at this fridge. It would be actually so cool to have this for myself. Maybe when I move into a very bougie apartment and I have like a little extra cash, we can do that. Alright, so there are no curtains that we like at Palace Mall. So we are going to check somewhere else. I'm tired. I am tired. I'm taking a break. Whew. Okay. So we didn't get any mirror, which is very sad. The only mirror we found was pink, which I could have worked with for spray paint, but it was also so yeah. Honestly, you can't live in this room. You can survive and you can thrive, but it can be better. That's what this video is about. So in this video I'm going to be giving you 7 things or 7 tips that you can implement right now to make your room look better, more beautiful, way cooler, and all of that stuff. Number 1, get some mood lights. Get moody lights for your bedroom, and it's going to transform your bedroom into something else. And the best part is this thing can change color, so if you don't like green, don't worry, I don't like green either. So that is that with the mood lights. Tip number 2 is organize, and that may almost not cost you anything. Let me show you. This is the last time you guys will be on the floor. Look at all the difference it makes. Empty, and the shoes have gone over there. I'm still contemplating on whether to leave the shoes right by the bed or move them, but it does make a lot of difference. More space on the floor, and the shoes are right there, safe and sound. Okay, organization done. Tip number 3 is switch up your beddings and your curtains. You don't have to buy new ones, but if you want to buy new ones, give your room a new look. That will definitely do a lot of wonders. For this room, these are the curtains I got. It's a man's room, and he said he didn't want curtains that had light seeping through, so we made sure to get the ones that clearly said blackout right here. And yeah, also says noise reduction. How cool is that? I'm getting a bit tired, but I promise you it's all worth it. Wait and see what the room looks like at the end. Don't go anywhere. Next thing we're adding to the room to make it, to give it a little bit of spice, is art. And we found this really cute art that I think will work really nicely for the room. Let me show you. We had 2 options actually, so we printed both. This option, like, I don't know if you can see, but this is option 1. This is option 2. I really want him to go for option 2. Look at this blue. I don't even like blue, but I feel like the blue just gonna show him. So since the camera is facing the wall, let me just show you. The art is going to go on that wall. So right here is where it's going to be, right there. I lost, obviously. But tip number 4 is include furniture. That could be a side table, you know, furniture that works for him. If you have enough space for a little sitting nook, bring in a chair. Adding a few furniture pieces to your bedroom can take it up a notch. Trust me. He unfortunately does not have side tables. Now that he has seen what I've put there, he's thinking of getting side tables to match the wood of the bed. But I found these boxes in his house that I think will work. Let me show you. These boxes, I feel like they could work. But he also thinks that he could just use a table. But whether a table or these box-ish things, a side table will just do so much to your room. Look at that. See how the room is just coming together nicely? The paint and those boxes that are going to be serving as side tables. Perfecto. If you are a regular on this channel, you're going to get this right. What is in almost every single video I've uploaded? Plants. Did you say plants? Fist bump. Next tip is to bring in the plants. I'm sweating, but that means one thing, that everything is just going on so well. I cannot wait to show you. Let me just block everything. Next is to add little decor pieces. It doesn't even have to be like big, expensive, anything. Just tiny decor pieces that you love. Just bring every single thing together. last and final tip is include a mirror. So the mirror is supposed to go right in front of me until the mirror manufacturer failed me terribly. Listen. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Pacho, mirror, now you ready?
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Pacho, what's your name?
No machine. Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah.
Pacho, mirror, now are you ready? And that is what happened with the mirror. So right here is where the mirror is supposed to go. Take up this space right here and just put them along from the bottom, goes all the way up there, so that it will mirror the opposites. I want to show you, so that it's mirroring this side of the room, right? So this will literally be here and it'll just make the room look bigger. So now, yeah, I'm ready. Okay, I'm a bit dizzy. I'm ready to show you what the room looks like, but I'll do that in a few seconds. Okay, a few seconds. I need to plug myself first. If you see what the room looks like and you love it and you want something similar for yourself, or you just need help with your room or your space, hit me up on Instagram. This is my home decor page and I will be glad to help you. I'll sort you out. Okay, now let's get into the review. Do you at least like it?
I do actually.
I
like it.
Awesome.
It feels very homey. Like it just feels. It's nice. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.